Amidst the forested mountain landscape of British Columbia, this work by Stark presents a modern residence designed to blend with nature without dominating its surroundings. From a distance, the building appears as a dark, horizontal volume floating among the trees, sitting quietly on a slope overlooking a wide-open mountain panorama. The design approach is quiet and simple, yet still has a powerful presence. The cantilevered structure is a key element that shapes the building's identity. Much of the residential mass extends outward from the natural contours of the land, creating a sense of lightness as if the building barely touches the ground. Slender steel columns support the main volume with a visually minimal approach, making the architecture feel more like a part of the landscape than an object placed on top. Beneath the floating volume, the outdoor area is designed as a warm and intimate sanctuary. There is an open-air living room, an outdoor kitchen, and a gathering area overlooking the surrounding forest. The relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces feels fluid, reinforced by large glass openings that frame natural light and change moods throughout the day. The choice of materials reinforces the residence's calm and grounding character. The dark facade helps the building absorb the forest shadows, while the oak interior creates a warm atmosphere that contrasts with the mountain air outside. Each space is designed with minimal detail, allowing the texture of the materials, light, and landscape to be the primary focus of the living experience. More than just a modern residence, this project is also built to the Passive House Premium standard, which emphasizes energy efficiency and long-term sustainability. A smart ventilation system, high thermal insulation, and solar panels allow the building to remain comfortable throughout the seasons, while consuming very little energy. These technologies are subtly integrated without disrupting the serenity of the architecture. This work demonstrates how architecture can feel light, calm, and deeply connected to nature. It's not just about the dramatic cantilevered form, but about how the residence respects the landscape in which it sits. Amidst the quiet of the forest, this place feels like a modern sanctuary designed to slow down the pace of life and bring its inhabitants closer to nature.